One of the best ways to make money in crypto is to identify accounts that are trading coins profitably and copy them. This is simply using a copy trader or manually. What you do is you identify accounts that are making trades, buying coins, selling coins profitably over the long term, and simply execute the same trades so that you make the same profits. This is great if you're not a trader, if you are not an investor or have no experience, because you can simply tap into the experience of someone else. Maybe there's an influencer or a trader that has been doing this for a while. You can just copy the results and get the same exact profits. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and the steps that you need to do to identify profitable accounts, how to copy trade them, and consideration that you have to keep in mind in order to protect your capital and make sure you don't lose too much. So in order to identify accounts that are profitable, in order for us to copy and get the same results, you simply go to etherscan. Go to the latest block right here. You click on that and you see the transactions right there. All of the transactions made on that block. You're looking for Uniswap transactions. You see there are many different methods here, but what you look for is for execute, which means it's been sent to the universal router. You simply go there and you see which tokens are being bought. In this case, this guy is buying the B-Bank coin. So we simply access his account and see the token transfers. This will indicate us which tokens are being purchased and which ones are being sold. If we go here to execute, we can see he is buying this much ether for this token. We keep that in mind, AIT. You simply take a look at the different transactions being made, different coins that are being purchased, and the outputs that he is receiving. In this case, he hasn't sold the AIT protocol yet, but you keep that in mind. You keep watching this wallet until he sells those tokens and realize the profit. In this case, I found one in one of the blocks. This guy bought 0.2 ether of Elara, and this guy sold it for 0.44 ether. That means he doubled his money. More than doubled his money just by buying a coin and selling it. This is the same wallet. This is the same account. You can just click on it and see which tokens he's purchasing profitably and which ones are being sold by watching to these methods. He's also using the banana gun router to snipe tokens, so that's another thing. This is what you do. You simply watch wallets, you identify the transactions that are being made. You go through the entire account and you see, okay, this guy bought 1 ether for this coin and then he sold for 5 ether or something like that. You go through all of the trades that this account made and identify the profits that have been made there. If someone is consistently making a profit, meaning 90% of the trades are profitable, then you keep that in mind and you copy that account. Now, when it comes to copying an account, you click on here, you sign in, you create an account on etherscan. There are many ways to do that. The most basic one is to just use etherscan to get a notification when the account that you want to watch is making a trade. So in this case, you select the account that you want to copy. In this case, this is the one. You go to watch list, you add it, and you maybe add a description that says trader or something like that. And here is where you identify, where you set up your notifications. Here, this means that you will receive an email whenever this guy makes a trade, executes a transaction, so that you know exactly when he is trading and be the first one to copy this account. So yeah, remember the steps are: identify first an account that is profitable. In this case, this is the one. But we haven't gone through the entire process, which is going through the entire set of trades that this account made by going through all of the transactions that they made. But let's assume this account is profitable. At least 90% of the trades are profitable. Then once we have it, we copy that, we create an account on etherscan, and we set up a notification on the account so that we receive an email whenever the account makes a trade. Then once we get the email, we simply copy and execute that on our wallet. Now, a more advanced user option would be to use a copy trader. I'm developing one, in fact. And the copy trader, you simply specify the account you want to copy and it executes the transactions for you. You don't have to do anything. It simply detects a swap, makes the trade for you. You can specify how much you want to spend on each swap, maybe 0.1 ether or 1 ether, and when do you want to sell, what all the conditions that you may want to consider, such as a stop loss or a take profit. That's a more advanced thing, and I'm developing one right now for MEV DAO. If you're interested, make sure to hit me up on our Telegram group. So hope this has been helpful, and let me know what you think about it in the comments.